right there.
Oh, I couldn't remember if you were here when he was there or not. There you go. Oh, I got him.
This is easy.
Not evil still.
Got him.
Stickleback just made his way down the mountain and right back into the water.
Sizable like suckers or anything like that.
I only wrapped it at once.
Jeez.
Good for the water.
Come around. Oh my gosh, get it in this bucket. We need more water.
Yeah, I need a bucket with a lot of water.
Here's one. Bucket with a lot of water. Whoa! That's... Whoa! Now I know why
This is the one that's
in my net because it was way too big.
Oh, there's another big one I just saw right over here.
I caught in this pond last night.
Oh, come on, Brown.
Wow.
Yeah, you guys.
Yeah,
you guys. Yeah, he's smothered in stickleback.
Whoa!
Is there a lid for this one?
Defenders of the chutes, not pretenders of the chutes.
Moly!
Yeah.
Get on with it, bad doggy.
This CPR for Trot.
Revive.
Oh,
Come on, big boy. He's breathing.
There's quite a stretch in that leg bucket.
He's got the wiggle.
There you go, buddy.
Okay, but I guess we'll...
Nice teeth.
Get ready, Mama.
Dragon spots in the water. Oh, poor guy. There we go. Oh.
Gosh, he doesn't even fit in
Pour
there.
some more water in.
Here, hurry, pour some more water in. Big squish.
Yeah, it's alright, Sweeney. That's all we can do right now.
That's right, he's turned right side up, so.
Yeah.
What? That's so sick. He's cleaning out his gills.
Come on, buddy, I know you want to go.
Wow. That's pretty cool, dude.
That's awesome. Holy crap, it looks even bigger in the water.